Hi guys, and welcome to today's episode, which is going to be on my old Minidisc player. Now, I used to have this Minidisc player back when it first came out, and it was probably my most favourite gadget of all time at that point, and still to this day. But unfortunately it got stolen, and I was so distraught you wouldn't believe. And I thought to myself, I need to get it, but I couldn't bring myself to buying another one, so I waited and I totally forgot about it. And I posted an Instagram post of the actual Minidisc player, and I was reminiscing about it about a year or so ago, and I had a look on eBay a couple of days ago, and I actually saw it and I was like, whoa, I need to get it. So I dug around the house to try and find my old mini discs, but I could only actually find these two, which are still sealed, but I need to have a proper dig around over the Christmas period and see if I can find everything from my mini disc collection. Actually, time to open up this this box. Now, obviously, it's going to be second hand. The seller assured me that it's in working condition. So let's give it a try. So again, I'm still using this desk here, but it's not actually clean, so I don't really want to show you. Oh, okay, well that was easy. So I take it that is the device. Oh, there's some mini discs there. It's given me a pouch, an actual Sony pouch, look at that. Some manuals on DVD. A homemade phono to 3.5 jack. Another pouch. And that's it. What do we have? Let's open this one first. It's a Gorilla camera bag for digital cameras. Okay. I don't know why I've got this, but so I got a free pouch. I don't know what this is. Thank you for your purchase. It says Police Station 12 Victoria Park Square, Bethnal Green, London. Right. So I guess this is being seized by the cops or something. Now, this was the item that I was worried that wasn't going to be in there. Now this is a remote, but for some reason it looks really small. I can remember my remote being slightly wider. Okay, and the problem with this is you have to use this because it's got a weird connection, and I used to find that annoying because obviously you'd want to be able to use any kind of headphone piece which you would pop in there, so I could actually use my other Sony headphones, but I'd still have to go through this. Anyway, let's open. Okay, so I get this. I think this is a microphone. This is a Toshiba microphone, and that's because this device actually records. So let's just see what's in this one. Okay, so I get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So they've got stuff written on them. So that says, don't know if you can read that, love you, hee hee. This one does not have a label on it. I've got some labels somewhere so I can stick labels on. That's great. This one has nothing on it either, but this was my favourite colour when I used to have my own. And this one says Saxy 2 album something pants, blue pants. There's going to be some really weird music on here. And this is Mochiba Fragments of Freedom. Interesting. And then I've got a bunch of Duracells. So by the eBay seller I've also been given some batteries. Let's see if they are in charge. Kind of. Well, I'm not sure if it's kind of, but I always thought they changed to a different colour. It's one solid colour, but it goes all the way to the end. And because this device needs a AA battery, and it takes it in the form of attaching this to the side. So what you would do, oops, you'd open this up. Let's put one of these in. So do that. No, you don't. You do that. You pop it in, and then we'll just screw it into place, and there you have it. Okay. This has actually been packed very, very well. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is a nice metal Sony MZR 91 Minidisc player and recorder. It's got these stickers here for some reason. Now it also had a battery that you could pop in here, so you didn't actually have to use this. Now it didn't come with that, so I'm gonna have to try and track one of those down. So what you would do, you see these connectors here and here, you would attach this like that. This is actually quite awkward. Alright, so we release here. Looks like it's good, so let's try this one here called Love You Hee Hee Best Tunes. So we pop this in. Forgot how you pop this in now. Okay, just like that. Stick that down. It's spinning up. Wow, look at that. So all I need to do now is to plug this remote in. I can control it from here, and also I'll be able to read. I'll also be able to attach my headphones on. Okay, so let's try this out. Obviously the music's copyright, so I'm not going to be able to play it to you, but here we go. Bryan Adams. The actual LCD is not working on the remote, but it is actually playing and fast forwarding from here. Let's test out the volume. Okay, now that's cool. So I'm going to mess around with this, and hopefully yeah, I'm going to get another battery for it, and It makes a bit of a noise when you switch it on and switch it off for the first time. It's still working, and I can't wait to mess around with it. But yeah, that's been my unboxing and first impressions of something that I had back in the early 2000s while I was at university, and it was one of my favourite devices of all time up to that point, and I think it still is. It's so cool. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you want to see an in-depth review of this, I will post one up online, and for that you'll need to like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.